When it comes to throwing A-rigs, the equipment you use is pretty specific for being efficient, throwing these heavy lures out there and doing it the right way. And when it comes to rods, you definitely want a longer rod than a shorter one. Something in that 7.5 to 8 foot. Right now I'm using a 7'11". The longer rod's going to help you kind of get that bait going through the air. And you got to remember, these things are pretty heavy. So to get a nice lob out there and get a good cast, you want a longer rod. When it comes to actions of the rod, something in a medium heavy or heavy action is where you want to be, but when it comes to the tip action, you want to be something in the fast category. You definitely don't want to lean towards extra fast. Extra fast is going to be a little too quick for you. It's going to be harder to cast. As far as the reels go, you want to reel with a slower gear ratio. You want something in that 6-to-1 to maybe a 6-8-to-1 gear ratio. Slower gears are going to help you bring that bait in a lot more efficient. If you're winding a fast gear ratio reel, you're going to wear yourself out trying to pull this through the water. So keep it slow. Last but not least is the line. Fluorocarbon line is what everybody uses that I know that fishes A-rigs. Something in that 20-pound test, which is what I'm throwing today, up to maybe a 25-pound test fluorocarbon. You know, can you use braid? Yeah, you can, but you're not going to get as many bites as you would using fluorocarbon. And you also got to take into consideration the clarity of the water. Today we're fishing pretty clear water, so fluorocarbon is definitely going to get you more bites. So those are the key components in rod, reel, and line that you need to throw an A-rig and catch some of these nice smallmouths.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.